Hello, my name is Dr. Apurv. I'm working at Garden City Hospital in Michigan, United States as a resident doctor. I did my MRCP back in 2020 and I passed my MRCP PACES, which is the third part, in March 2021. I have already completed my MD in general medicine back in the year 2017, and post that I have worked in a number of medical colleges and teaching hospitals, and I have been mentoring many MBBS and postgrad students in the last 3 years. So when I cleared my MRCP, usually MRCP does not require any high scores, but still my scores were pretty high in part 1. They were more than 700, and part 2, they were more than 750. And in PACES, which is the most difficult part in MRCP, my score were 154 out of 162. Inspire IMG, which always take care of young aspirants like you, is coming up with a very new and interactive MRCP course, one of its kind. This is a complete 3-month course targeting MRCP Part 1 right now, and it will be an online live interactive course, keeping in mind the young grads who don't have this much time to go into the classroom and sit for long hours and take the classes. It will involve pre-recorded sessions, pre-recorded videos, webinars, approximately 20 to 22, and there will be most important topics like nephrology, endocrinology, cardiology, infectious diseases, critical care, pulmonary medicine, biochemistry, basic sciences, which comprises of biochemistry, clinical sciences, biostats, physiology, anatomy. These all topics will be discussed, and it will be a comprehensive course which will involve high quality study material, lecture notes of those particular videos. Topic-wise questions will be discussed, and then there will be revision sessions as well. And the price for this course is actually very, very nominal, and that's 15,000 only. If you are the person who joins the course right now, so we actually are offering an introductory offer. That first batch will join the course with 0 charges. It is uniquely designed by doctors with high MRCP scoring. One of them, definitely, I am also one part of this course. And it's a course uniquely designed by doctors, for the benefit of the doctors, the young doctors. As we have been through the struggle and the hardship which post-MBBS grads, interns, and post-MD people have to face, so we know where you lack, and we know how to help you and how you can go through this difficult pathway. So it's this Inspire IMG is actually a free doctors community for international medical graduates, and I would definitely like all of you people to join this course at the earliest convenience you can, because Inspire IMG is actually a very good platform which is continuously working for the benefit of international medical grads in order to get them into their dream destination, whether it is Australia, USA, or UK. With the help of this course, we could actually make you people make your dream possible and achievable. Thank you. Now, why MRCP is useful and to whom it is useful and why people should join MRCP. These are the 3 most important questions which every MBBS grad as well as postgrad students of India and other developing countries ask each other as well as other people. So MRCP basically stands for Membership of Royal College of Physicians, which is offered by 3 Royal Colleges, which is London, Glasgow, and Edinburgh. Now, why MRCP is useful? It's actually like an MRCP UK diploma, which means that everyone, it's equivalent to MD medicine degree of India. But there is a catch. MRCP alone will not help you to get your dreams, but it is essential to become a consultant in United Kingdom as well as other European countries like Scotland, Ireland, and Great Britain, which again comes under United Kingdom. Now, MRCP UK diploma can be done after 2 years of experience in internal medicine if you want to go for MRCP UK. If you want to go for some other course like MRC OG or MRC Pediatrics, then you should have at least 2 years of experience in that particular line. We will be mainly concerned about MRCP, which is for physicians, which is for internal medicine. Many people have a doubt that after doing MRCP, just clearing the exam, can I practice back in India? No, the answer is no. You cannot practice back in India. For practicing back in India, you need MRCP, all 3 levels, and after that you have to work in UK for 5 years to get this CCT certificate, and then you can work in back in India. Another important thing, why MRCP is useful, it can be done with anyone who has done MBBS and post that he has done his MD medicine from India or any developing country, and they want to practice in United Kingdom and they want to go for higher specialty training in United Kingdom, then MRCP is the line you should choose. After MBBS, if you want to go for MRCP, definitely you should go. But keep this in mind, you have to go through PLAB route and then through MRCP route in order to get into some good training and then to achieve your dream. If you have already done your postgrad training from India, then MRCP is the route to UK, which carves your pavement to UK. This degree gives you credibility. It's a very, very respectful degree in the entire Gulf, in the United Kingdom, even in Canada. Yes, even in Canada. For that, we need to take a separate session. But yeah, if you have 3 years work experience in UK, you can actually work in Canada as a non-interventional physician when you are not involved in any intervention. So it's a globally recognized degree, which is recognizable in Canada, which is recognizable in United Kingdom, Ireland, Scotland, as well as all the Gulf nations. Since a label of developed country degree, and after that you have to work in that country for at least 2 to 3 years, and then when you come back to either India or to Dubai or Gulf countries, your package will be double the package which you get from developing nations.